can you tell me what's happening today? Means, and what is this? The way we work is changing actually.
Well, we've been operating here for about 4 years, but we never really had an opening. So what we really realized that was more than trying to compete with other co-working spaces, there's a lot of people that still didn't know about it. So everything in life right now is being questioned and reworked, and so is work. And that's exactly what we're trying to promote today. It's really a thought-provoking idea, to people's minds, hoping that they do and they want to engage more with the space, to be influenced with that kind of thing.
So, what is your first impression about these workshops that we Raffles collaborating with you?
I mean, I think it's great. It's interesting because it's sort of it's something you wouldn't expect, painting with natural elements around, and so I think it's been really powerful for people coming because it's not completely unexpected, and you think you might not enjoy it, but you end up doing so, and you go back with something a great experience.
So many working spaces out there. So, what's cool about Likuid?
Well, Likuid is, it's really a network more than anything, and it's people that you meet and constantly keep meeting on. So today we're launching an app and community members, so you can sort of reach out to people that not just in this space, but whoever I've ever touched have used Likuid as a touch point before. So they can constantly meet different people. But I think the other co-working spaces are doing a great job too.
Okay, thanks Shoaib. And designers, you heard about Likuid, and you just check this place is a very cool place and a very great place for you to work and get many ideas, many inspiration.